Every gardener dreams of juicy red tomatoes hanging from thick green vines. Yet beneath this perfect picture hides a deadly threat, tomato blight. This aggressive fungal disease spreads quickly, destroying healthy plants within days. As an experienced farmer, I've battled it season after season. However, through careful observation and natural remedies, I've found practical ways to fight back, and I'm here to share them with you. Tomato blight manifests in two primary forms: early blight and late blight. Early blight, a destructive disease caused by the fungus Alternaria solani, begins quietly on the lower leaves. Dark circular spots with concentric rings appear first, spreading slowly but steadily. As the infection worsens, the once green leaves turn yellow, then brown, before dropping completely. This loss weakens the plant, reducing its ability to grow, produce, and survive under stress. Late blight, caused by the notorious pathogen Phytophthora infestans, is a fast-spreading and destructive disease. It attacks every part of the plant: leaves, stems, and even fruit. First, small water-soaked spots appear on the leaves. Then these lesions rapidly darken, spreading outward with alarming speed. As a result, the infected plant weakens, withers, and eventually collapses under the disease's aggressive impact. Both forms thrive in wet, humid conditions, making prevention crucial. In my search for natural remedies, I discovered two powerful allies: milk and baking soda. While simple, they work wonders together. Did you know milk isn't just for breakfast? It contains proteins that, when exposed to sunlight, create natural antiseptic properties. These reduce fungal growth on delicate tomato leaves. To prepare, simply mix 1 part raw milk with 9 parts water, then using a spray bottle, apply the solution generously onto the leaves every 7 to 10 days. After rain, reapply it to keep that protective shield strong and effective. Baking soda solution is a simple yet powerful remedy for fungal issues. When sprayed on leaves, it alters surface pH, creating an alkaline shield that fungi dislike. To prepare, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and a few drops of dish soap in a gallon of water. Shake well. Apply weekly, alternating with milk spray to disrupt fungal cycles and strengthen plant defenses naturally and effectively. Bordeaux mixture, a time-tested blend of copper sulfate and lime, remains a reliable solution in organic farming. It effectively protects crops by forming a durable barrier against fungal and bacterial infections. Though powerful, it must be used with care. Apply only once or twice per season to prevent harmful copper buildup. Always wear protective gear and follow safety directions to safeguard both plants and soil life. If you found this guide helpful, please like and share it with fellow gardeners who value growth both in soil and spirit. Subscribe now for weekly tips on sustainable farming, practical techniques, and eco-friendly habits. Your continued support allows us to plant seeds of knowledge, harvest community wisdom, and foster a greener future together, one garden, one grower, and one step at a time.